want to get off. I don't want to get off, bro. Let me just take it home for a week. I'll give you the truck. What do you mean? You only have your motorcycle license?
Bro, I feel like I'm going to war. He really just left. Oh. Alright. Damn, this is crazy. He's back.
You forget how to drive cars?
No, I know how to.
You know the gear shifters on here?
Yep.
Alright, let's go.
Well, that's crazy that he's trusting me with this. Hopefully I don't kill him. Yo! This is crazy, man. I've never driven a truck before, so... Ah, it's so dope. This is why people drive trucks. Yo. Bro, he's so small in comparison. People are gonna be like, what the hell, when we pull up? Hopefully I don't hit him. That was dope.
The great debate, do you park it in neutral or first gear? That's the great debate.
First, always.
Always, good job.
Neutral's in my house.
Yeah, true, like in case somebody needs
Telling me face
to
to
move it
face.
or
Remember
something.
back in 11th grade, I dirted on my only kid. Yeah,